Hello friends, I must tell you how to fix Windows 10 high CPU and high the high usage of hard drive, because this Windows can struggle with this. Okay, in services I had to disable background intelligent transfer service, connected users and telemetry, program compatibility assistant. I had to disable sysmain former superfetch, Windows search I disabled, Windows update. Did I tell you about this? Connected users, experiences and telemetry. Now to diagnose what process is overloading your computer, we have to use the process hacker, which is good because when you see process called cvhost.exe, this one here, it tells you what service name, and sometimes you see this process, one of them here, because it's not just one file, it relates to different services. Service group name, you just look at the service group name and services storage service. This one here is what is on the top? Token broker. I wouldn't touch this because I don't know what token broker is for what. Try to sort by name which one is plug and play. What is this? Local session manager. Now you will be able to identify which one is using the most of your hard drive for CPU. cvhost.exe is mainly using processor. Your hard drive is overloaded by services which I already turned off. Also check power performance options. Turn off hard drive 0. Use selective suspend, you can turn this off. Also, I forgotten to mention, fast startup I already disabled. I don't know why did this come up. I didn't have when I installed Ultimate Performance. Maybe Windows adds this by default. Settings. System. Notifications and action I turned off. Also Cortana I disabled, and data collection preview and builds, but I have to tell you how to disable Windows Defender antivirus. I think in Windows Security you go to virus and threat protection, and in this option you disable tamper protection, virus and threat protection. I did that already. That is why you cannot see this. Application and browser control. I also did that manually, but before you do anything you have to disable tamper protection. Task scheduler. In this option, Task Scheduler, Microsoft Windows Application Experience, You disable this because this overloads the hard drive a lot. Now group policy editor. Administrative templates. I think Windows components. Data collection and preview builds. You click on that allow telemetry and you click on disable. Also, if you want to focus on your work and Windows Update, you need to turn off. Because sometimes when you are traveling and you don't have time to do automatic updates, you had better to turn this off. Configure automatic updates, I disabled, so your Windows won't download. I forgotten about this. So there is something important. When you click properties, set as metered connection, then everything won't be downloaded automatically by default, because this will limit applications from downloading automatically everything. So Windows will not download automatically when you set this as metered connection. Sorry for my English, it sounds strange. Oh, what about this? I don't know if I should. No, I will leave this. As you can see, I'm using OpenBroad cluster, and it is working without any problems, but I disabled lots of stuff. You always check which process is using your CPU hard drive. As you can see, I have no issue with my operating system now because I disabled everything, but you need to pay attention what process is hidden behind this. What service is using the most of your CPU. But you have to have process hacker. Why? When you start task manager, as you can see, you do not get details. No, you have details, but it doesn't come up what process is under this. So you had better to use a replacement which is for free, process hacker. That is why I'm using this. But you had better to use the newest. Why nightly builds? Because they are the newest and they have new features. I highly recommend this tool for you, because this can identify what process is using your computer the most, and you can quickly turn off one of the processes which you don't need, and your operating system will still function as normal, and you will turn on everything what you need. You just need to disable service, one of the service which really overloads your processor hard drive, because that is the most important. Don't disable service which relates to, I don't know, maybe like net framework or service. Without it you wouldn't run graphics program. But disable service which is overloading your CPU.